Okay, so moving on from the previous desktop app upload, what we're going to be doing now is we're going to actually encrypt our video for DRM. So we're going to encode our video to prevent browser extensions from just simply downloading our videos. Okay, so what we're going to do is we'll finish this, and now we'll go through the same process. Okay, so we're going to be uploading it to the bucket. This can go into theme 2021. Then we go to demos, and this one can be DRM. Okay, and select the CloudFront distribution. So I'm going to select the same video from my desktop. Okay, so I've selected the same video. I'm just going to do 720 and 480 just to save time. I'm not going to worry about a poster because the theme's going to manage the poster. We'll just move this down to seconds. Okay, now Proxy URL. This is the important part if you're going to be doing encryption. So this is where we need to get the Proxy URL. So where do we get this from? Okay, so under the theme, if we go home and then go under to video options, customize theme and video options. Okay, and what we'll do is under video options, it should open for you, but it will give you a URL, okay, for your theme. Okay, now this is just giving us an IP because we're using a demo, but yours should be HTTPS and it'll be the domain name. So we're going to move on to all the setting up domain names in future tutorials, but we can simply go ahead and copy and paste this URL. Quickly, let me just show you where you find it in the plugin. So if you've got the plugin installed, if you go over to S3 Bubble in the tab and Proxy URL encoding, you'll see that the Proxy URL is listed here. Okay, so you can grab the Proxy URL there, but I'm just going to grab it here because we're going to be using it with the theme. Go ahead, paste it into the desktop app, save and continue, and submit. So this is doing the same thing. It's generating a BIF, it's encoding media, but this is actually encrypting your media now as well. It's not just encoding it. Okay, so let's close this and let's add some new content. And what we'll do is we'll give it a name. Just put desktop app, and we'll put DRM. Okay, and demo. This can be your content, and channel. Put it under movies and examples. Okay, we could add some people to this if we would like. And we can give it landscape image, and then we'll just add this image. Now again, we'll talk about how we can put this behind. We could require login for this, and we could put it behind a product. So if we wanted to put it behind an SVOD model, for instance, we could say let's put it behind the SVOD model, but let's give them a 5-second teaser under the SVOD model. Okay, and let's go back to the desktop app, and I'm just going to wait for this to finish uploading to AWS. Okay, so this is uploaded our content to AWS and encrypted it. We can simply take the player code, paste it in here, same as we did before. Okay, it's going to go off and generate our URLs. We can go ahead and publish, view the content. Okay, and then what it will do is it will start to play our content. Okay, and this content has been encrypted, so it will prevent browser extensions, etc., from just simply downloading your videos. Okay, so we'll touch in future tutorials on how to add tags which will generate similar content. So you can give these tabs of say movies. Okay, and what this does is then this will generate a sidebar, and it will show more like this based on matches. You can see because we've added our videos to the desktop app with BIFs, it does the BIF hovers as well. So there's some great functionality coming up with the AWS and different setups.